Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook a delicious Aloo Baingan. This classic Indian dish combines tender potatoes and soft eggplant in a rich, aromatic gravy. We'll explore the simple steps to create a flavorful meal that's perfect for any occasion. Get ready to transform humble vegetables into a culinary delight with a blend of traditional spices and easy-to-follow techniques. Let's dive into the world of Indian home cooking and master this comforting recipe together. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need 2 medium-sized potatoes, 1 large eggplant, 1 onion, and 2 ripe tomatoes. For spices, have on hand 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, red chili powder, and coriander powder, plus half a teaspoon of garam masala. Don't forget a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and some fresh cilantro for garnish. Wash and chop your vegetables into 1-inch cubes, ensuring they are ready for the pan. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds. Then, add your chopped onion and sauté until golden brown, about 5 minutes. Stir in the ginger garlic paste and cook for 1 minute. Next, add the tomatoes and all the powdered spices, cooking until the oil separates. Finally, add the potatoes and eggplant, mixing well before covering and simmering for 20 to 25 minutes, or until tender. Once your vegetables are tender, it's time for the finishing touches. Uncover the pan and stir in the remaining half teaspoon of garam masala. Garnish generously with freshly chopped cilantro. Give it a final gentle stir, and your aromatic Aloo Baingan is ready to be served. This delightful dish pairs wonderfully with warm roti, naan, or steamed basmati rice. Feel free to adjust the spice levels to your preference for a truly personalized meal. Enjoy your homemade Indian feast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.